now, Money Matters Nashville. Got Wes Wood, president of Wood Financial Group here. Let's talk about not having a written retirement plan. Boy, it can mean a lot of headaches later on. Talk about why it's so important to have that plan.
Well, it's really important. A lot of people don't have them, and you need to have a plan. It's almost like the road map. If you don't have a map to where you're going, then you may not get there. You could miss a turn, and it could take you a lot longer path to get to where you're going. So a written plan will help you identify what direction you're going to ensure you're getting to your goals that you want to financially.
A lot of people say, I'll do it myself.
Yep.
What do you think?
A lot of people can. I mean, some people do a really good job with their investments, their planning, but sometimes the DIY approach, they forget to do the written plan. And if you're married and you did the plan, you need to make sure that you go over that with your spouse so they know what's going on as well. So most people like to employ help to get the written plan in place and then follow up from there.
And what do you see people maybe are not thinking about?
A lot of times it comes down to estate planning and taxes, the two biggest issues we find when it comes to having a written plan that's DIY done. They'll forget about it, they don't get around to it, and if it's not on the plan, then a lot of times it's not checked off. Think of the plan as like a to-do list as well. So they may forget about some proper tax planning, end up paying way too much in income taxes, or not have an estate plan. Then they pass away and their stuff gets stuck in probate, costing their family a lot of unnecessary expense.
Plus, when you're talking about market volatility and inflation, all big factors, you have a free book. You've really put a lot of knowledge in this book that you're giving out to viewers for free.
We do. We've got a whole chapter on how you can develop your written plan, or we can develop a written plan for you or help with your advisor to get that written plan. So definitely check out that chapter on devising your written plan so it doesn't sabotage your retirement.
And it's free. MoneyMattersNashville.com is where you can go. MoneyMattersNashville.com.